Zicela enkulungwaneni ezimbili izithunywa ezibuthene eInkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Center eThekwini engqungqutheleni yokulwa nokugqilazwa kwezingane yesihlanu yenhlangano yezezisebenzi emhlabeni. Lengqungquthela yesihlanu isingathwa okokuqala ngqa lapha eAfrica. UBongani Gema uxoxisane nesinye sezisulu zokusetshenziswa kwezingane saseGhana ulakhe Agbavo.
Kuhlangene amazwe omhlaba azoxoxisana ngendlela abangayisebenzisa ke ukulwa nesihlava sokuxhashazwa kwezingane emsebenzini vele engafanele engabe bayenza ke le inkonfa yesihlanu yaqala ukuba khona la ezwenikazi eAfrica kodwa ke la eduze kwami nginensizwa esencane ulakhe Agbavo osuka eGhana naye ke owasinda kusona lesihlava sokusetshenziswa uthi waqala ke ukusebenza eneminyaka e4. Lucky, thank you very much for your time. Just take us through how you ended up a child laborer.
Thank you, sir, for having me again. In 2004, when I was 4 years old, livelihood for my mother became very difficult. And I was the only child then. So she had to give me out to her uncle, whom I called Grandpa, in a certain town called Akosombo, a fish farming community. So I went there, and my grandpa introduced me into fishing. So we used to go and fish on a river called Volta River. It's one of the biggest rivers in Ghana, which extends its borders to Ivory Coast and even to the north to the borders of Burkina Faso. So one day, my grandfather asked the son that he and I should go on to fishing. So we went with the canoe, and then even those days I wasn't schooling. Yes, so we went, and then the guy left me on the canoe alone, and then he went into the river. He dived in to go and check on the nets. Whilst he was in there, I was all alone. Imagine 4-year-old boy. I became so confused and afraid. So out of fear, I fell into the river. And the river is estimated to be 14 meters in depth. Yes. So I don't know, however, he managed to bring me out to resuscitate me. I may say it is the act of God for the purpose he has for me. Yes, so because of that, my mommy had to evacuate me from that village.
Loyo ke ulakhe Agbavo owasinda naye ke esesetshenziswa nje bechazile uthi waqala ukusebenza ke edoba ofisha esebenza nasemasimini esebenza nasendlini eneminyaka e4. uthi ke waba nenhlanhla ukuthi ke after esesindile egulizeni ke wabona uma wakhe ukuthi lempilo le ayimfanele wasemsusa ke kule ndawo ahlala ke no uthi ke konke lokho okwamehlela kuyishintshile impilo yakhe ngoba useyabona izinto ekufanele zenzeke nokuhlukumeza nje kwezingane zezinto imisebenzi engafanele. Le nkonfa ke izophela ngolesihlanu bazoxoxisana sizoqala ama panel discussion la khona bezoxoxisana ngendlela engasetshenziswa bese bevumelana ngendlela eyaphambili. Sibuyisele intambo kuwena e studio.